What is AIGC? AI-generated content refers to artificial intelligence that can create new content rather than just analyzing existing data. While traditional AI focuses on recognizing patterns, like unlocking your phone with your face, AIGC focuses on creation, generating a new face that doesn't exist in the real world before. Traditional AI was like a food critic. You show it a dish and it analyzes it. This is a pasta, this is a burger, or this is a cake. It identifies and labels things that already exist. AIGC is like a chef. You don't show it food, you give it an order. I want a spicy pizza with pineapples and extra cheese. It then goes into the kitchen and cooks a brand new dish from scratch. It doesn't just go to the fridge and hand you a frozen pizza. It makes it a fresh one that has never existed before. How AI generates images? The first step is imagination. Think of latent space as a giant library of corners, concepts. How it works. In this library, there aren't books, but properties. Every object is placed based on how similar it is to others. Imagine a giant library room. One corner is a furry corner. One corner is a mechanical corner. One corner is a food corner. If you ask for a cat, the AI flies to the point in the library where furry, pointy ears and whiskers all meet. If you ask for a robot cat, the AI finds a spot exactly halfway between the mechanical corner and the furry corner. Why it's important? The AI doesn't copy a cat from its memory. It goes to the cat coordinates in its brain, builds a brand new one based on the recipes it finds at those coordinates. The second step is creation. Once AI has an idea, it needs to turn it into a visual. It uses a process called diffusion. The AI starts with a screen full of static noise, like a TV with no signal. You tell the AI, show me a cat eating pizza. It looks at the noise and asks, if I change these dots slightly, will it look more like a cat? It repeats these thousands of times, denoising the static until a clear, high-definition image emerges. It's not painting like a human, adding paint to a blank canvas. It is sculpting order out of chaos. How AI generates videos? Video generation like Sora, Runway, Clean is much harder because it adds a new dimension, time. If you ask AI to generate 24 pictures of a cat, you will get 24 different cats. When you combine them together as a video, the video will flicker and look crazy. Video AI generates all the pages of a flipbook at once. When it draws page 2, it looks at page 1 to make sure the cat fur color hasn't changed. It looks at page 3 to make sure the movement flows smoothly. Instead of just working with pixels, tiny dots, the AI works with patches that represent both space, part of the image, and the time, how that part moves over several seconds. It creates the whole timeline together, ensuring the story makes sense from start to finish. You might wonder, how does it know what a cat looks like? The AI has looked at billions of images on the internet with labels. For example, a photo of a cat labeled cat. It doesn't memorize the photos. Instead, it learns the mathematical receipt for things. It does not store a JPEG of a cat. It stores the concept. Cats usually have two pointy ears, whiskers, and fur. This is the hardest part. To make a video, the AI has to ensure the movement is smooth and consistent over time. Breaking a video into 3D blocks of data that contain both the image and the time. Imagine a 5-second video is a solid block of clear ice. The front of the block is the start, 0 second. The depth of the block is the time, reaching 5 seconds at the back. The AI cuts this giant ice block into thousands of tiny individual ice cubes. Each ice cube, space-time patch, is a moving puzzle piece. It knows exactly what a small part of the image looks like and how it should move during those few seconds. Why this works? By snapping these moving cubes together, the AI ensures that a character doesn't suddenly change clothes or disappear when they move, because the time and the movement are built into the block. Image AI is like a sculptor chipping away at a block of static noise to reveal a picture. Video AI is like a flipbook artist It draws all the pages at once to make sure a star moves smoothly.